In the realm of automotive maintenance, choosing the right motor oil is crucial for ensuring optimal engine performance and longevity. Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy Full Synthetic Motor Oil 0W-20 stands out as a top contender for those seeking to enhance their vehicle's fuel efficiency while safeguarding engine health. This advanced formulation is designed to meet the demands of modern engines, making it a reliable choice for both new and older vehicles. One of the most significant advantages of Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy is its ability to improve fuel economy. Engineered with Mobil 1's signature triple-action formula, this motor oil not only enhances performance but also promotes cleanliness within the engine. By reducing friction between critical engine components, it helps prevent the formation of deposits and sludge, which can hinder engine efficiency. This oil is designed to provide protection for up to 10,000 miles between oil changes, a feature that appeals to drivers looking for convenience without compromising on quality. The technological advancements in this motor oil are noteworthy. Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy offers exceptional wear protection and internal engine heat protection, withstanding temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Furthermore, it provides low-temperature protection down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring that your engine starts quickly and operates smoothly in cold weather. This level of protection is essential for drivers in regions with extreme temperature fluctuations, as it contributes to the overall health and reliability of the engine. Moreover, the formulation of Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy meets the ILSAC GF6 standards, which are crucial for modern engines. This means it provides low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI, and timing chain wear protection, two common issues that can arise in contemporary vehicles. By keeping engines clean and functioning efficiently, this motor oil plays a vital role in maintaining the performance of high-performance, turbocharged, and supercharged gasoline and diesel engines. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, from passenger cars to light trucks. The credibility of Mobil 1 as a brand is another factor that enhances the appeal of its advanced fuel economy motor oil. As America's #1 selling synthetic motor oil brand at retail, it is trusted by both car builders and experienced mechanics. The endorsement of Mobil 1 as the official motor oil of NASCAR further solidifies its reputation for quality and reliability. This level of trust is crucial for consumers who want to ensure they are using a product that has been proven effective in high-performance scenarios. In conclusion, Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy Full Synthetic Motor Oil 0W-20 is a remarkable product that combines advanced technology with practical benefits. Its ability to improve fuel economy, extend engine life, and provide superior protection makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain their vehicle's performance. With its comprehensive protective features and backing from a reputable brand, this motor oil is a worthwhile investment for drivers who prioritize engine health and efficiency. Whether you are driving a modern high-performance vehicle or an older model, Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy is designed to meet your needs and exceed your expectations.